Once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Phil Oil Flying V San Juan Arena. This is the match of your protagonist, University of Santo Tomas and Adamson University in the 77th season of your University Athletic Association of the Philippines. Presenting the officials for this match. First referee, Fernando Velarde, National Referee. Second referee, Mark Anthony Santos, National Referee. Let us welcome the starting players for University of Santo Tomas. Starting on with player number 6, team captain Pamela Trisha Lastimosa. Number 8, Maria Carmela Tunay. Number 9, Energy Laure. At number 10, Alexine Cabanos. Player number 15, Jessie Lane De Leon. At number 18, Marivic Belaine Meneses. Liberos, number 12, Dancel John Dusaran. And number 16, Patricia Kim Rasmo. Head coach, Mr. Oji Mamon. And the starting lineup for your Adamson University. Starting on with player number 4, Maylene Paat. At number 6, Amanda Villanueva. Player number 8, Fenela Trisha Emnas. At number 9, team captain, Faye Janelle Guevara. Player number 12, Jessica Galanza. Player number 17, Erica Jel Alquino. Liberos, number 7, Jelly Tempiatura. And number 15, Marlene Cortel. Head coach, Mr. Sherwin Meneses. Good luck to both teams.
Back here at the arena in San Juan, and we're live on ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Starting six, and these Lady Falcons have they're riding on a very high level of confidence right now, coming off 2 wins. UST naman really struggling at 1 and 3. Ivy, they really have to turn things around, and it has to start from within. Of course, kailangan maniwala muna sila na kaya nilang manalo even with some of the best teams here.
That's right, and I'm sure with the past 2 games that they have lost, the team probably have studied and reorganized themselves. They probably evaluated what went wrong, and we all know the big role, of course, the seniors or the veteran players in this team play. They can't, of course, the rookies are there to help, but it still has to be the senior players who really do all the job.
And yun yung pinagpupuntuan or pinaglalagyan ng atensyon ni Coach Oji Mamon, or yung senior players obviously. Again, Mela Tunay, Pam Lastimosa, they really have to put it together. They really have to lead this team out of whatever parang losing track that they're in right now.
Definitely. Of course, these players being senior have more experience, and would be the ones that are supposed to guide the younger ones, the mga rookies.
Emnas, underhand set. Villanueva, the cross. Paat, yes!
Maylene Paat, one of the key players here for Adamson, and definitely, she's one of the players na kailangan talagang bantayan ng mabuti nitong UST.
And, if there ever is going to be a rally here, it seems to me like it will favor Adamson because of the type of defense that they play,
Oh, yes. We've always known Adamson to be a very defensive team here. They're very active, and especially their floor defense.
Kaya, mapapagod ka na lang makipagpalitan sa team tulad ng Adamson, and they get an ace pa doon. Amanda Villanueva with a service ace na pabayaan yun. Let's check in with Gianna Llanes.
Eric and Ivy, as the Adamson Lady Falcons exit the last games with victorious cheers, hugs, and excitement, they're making sure to enter this game with the same amount of energy. However, Coach Sherwin believes na kung sino una mag-isip ng bakasyon, siya ang talo. For the past 3 seasons, Coach Sherwin has had difficulty recruiting players. Therefore, he and his coaching staff really commit to perfecting the skills of the players they find, like Mylene, Gemma, and Fen. He believes that as hard as he is during practice, labanan lang ang attitude ang volleyball, hoping that the past 2 wins will heighten the confidence of his players. Back to you, Eric and Ivy.
All right. Thank you, Gianna. Coach Sherwin, tama ka dun, ano? I mean, if your mind isn't in the game because you're thinking about Christmas party mamaya, which parang
yes.
pupuntahan ni Ivy mamaya, may Christmas party to si Ivy, parang, di ba? I mean, it's gonna get your head out of the game. And
That's
when that
right.
happens, you lose maybe a service reception or an attack or, a second touch.
That's right. And syempre, here dito sa atin sa tournament, wala tayong concept of holidays. I'm sure that
Yeah.
all these athletes also would be practicing or training over the holidays. So probably a few days rest over Christmas and New Year, pero tuloy ang trabaho dyan.
What is going on, Ivy, with the Tigresses? Napatayo na si Coach Oji Mamon. I mean, they can't even connect to one another. It's a
Right.
5-1 deficit.
There actually has been a string of errors on the part of UST.
Yeah.
They had the service ace. A free point now being given by the Lady Falcons here for UST. So this is a lucky break here for UST. A free point.
Rotation error on the part of Adamson. So 2 points. UST. Tatlo hinahabol nila rito. Bella Tunay serving. Back row. That's a difficult shot for Paat. Not really designed for that. Oh, nice dig by Villanueva. Galanza. That's way wide.
Attack goes wide.
Let's go to Cristel Batchelor. And by the way, belated happy birthday pala. Hey, Cristel, was it last Thursday? Go ahead, Cristel.
For Coach Oji Mamon, the issue now is not the errors or their consecutive losses. It is how his veteran players can regain their confidence. Coach said he's not giving up on them but hopes the girls will deliver this time. Playing today, the Tigers has focused on Adamson's common combination attack and how they can counter it. Coach doesn't want to see the girls struggle single jumps once again, which failed them the last time versus Ateneo, Eric and Ivy.
All right, thank you, Cristel. Well, right now, that's exactly what's happening. They're struggling. They're having problems covering yung depensa.
That's right.
Ang laki ng butas nung pinasukan ng palo ni Galanza doon.
Which is actually also the same issue that they had in their previous games.
Laure.
They have to have a tighter
Yeah.
defense, both at the net and at the floor.
That's 4 touches
Four
against
hits
Galanza.
by
Hindi
Lady.
siya subola that time.
Falls on Adamson.
Most of these points ng USD, maybe not all of them, but most of it, coming from errors ng
Errors
Adamson.
of Adamson, that's right. So these are basically 3 points
Yeah.
being given by Adamson for
Hindi pa nila
UST.
tinanabaho yan. Guevara blocked but goes out of
Guevara
bounds from
off the block.
Meneses. Well, the effort is there. Kita mo naman, tumalon si Meneses. She guessed right.
To serve for
Hindi na nakontrol yung
That's right.
bola, no? Good serve, poor reception.
Poor reception. And again, we all know how important it is that you're able to give out a good first ball. Otherwise, mahihirapan kayo mag-execute or you have lesser options for your attacks.
Emnas unable to handle the second touch from Villanueva. So, puntos ulit yun sa UST. Dalawa lang. Hinahabol ng Tigresses.
Oh, Emnas, that was a very smart move.
Wow. I'm impressed. That was very nice. 8-5. Adamson, Kit Kat break. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. Back here at the arena in San Juan. Also, former Tigresses in attendance.
Right, of course, to support their team. Yung mga ganyan din, if you see your senior players, the alumni support, nanonood ng mga games, it really gives also a boost of confidence
Yeah.
dito sa ating mga players.
Good block. Villanueva. Lastimosa. Oh, wow.
Attack goes to the net. Point for Adamson.
So far, UST not able to convert any points yet from their attacks.
Yeah, they're really not getting anything na yun nga, trinabaho nila
Yeah.
na puntos, ano?
So far, I think if I able to take it down correctly, they have 4 points from the errors of Smith Adamson. That's right.
That's wide. Pam Lastimosa can't really get herself going. 2 straight errors. And 5 already.
Emmas continues to serve for Adamson.
That goes outside, and also a net
Yeah,
violation error called up against the Leon.
Net na outside pa. And Coach Oji Mamon, definitely wanna hear this huddle. Take a look at the last attack. 3 straight attack errors from UST. Pakinggan natin yung huddle.
Error, 3 attack error yun na huwag yung palayuin, kuha sa first ball. Maging agresibo kayo kumuha ng first ball. Alex, hindi lang yan running, open. So predictable. Options, ano? Be quick press, ano ba?
Well, yun na nga yung pinapoint out. Mike Ortiz, former UST Tigers also in attendance. And right now, it must seem painful to them yung nakikita nila ngayon.
That's right, of course.
That's the mom of Mela Tunay, Christy Tunay, in attendance dito. Ang daming, audience members with UST connections, but they can't seem to get inspiration itong Tigresses from the fans and supporters in the audience.
Right, so far, they're having difficulty organizing themselves inside the court. So, they have their, nakakapag-abot naman din ng magandang first ball, but the opportunity given, yun nga, pagdating sa atake, they were not able to convert just yet.
Saka nabanggit din ni Coach Oji Mamon, predictable tayo. And ilang attack errors na yan kay Pam Lastimosa is finally relieved, and the rookie Cherry Rodina comes in for her. This is obviously not the kind of start.
That's right.
Imagine.
I think
by
Coach
Oji.
Oji is being calm, no?
Oh, yeah.
He's being calm, but you can see over the last timeout and the technical timeout, he was really, the sense of urgency you can see
Of course.
in his voice. So he's asking for more options in the play. Ayaw daw niya yung running lang at open because it's becoming very predictable for Adamson.
Guevara,
A good coverage there from Tunay.
Rodina, that's off the tape of the net for touches
For
yun.
hits violation.
And she's telling, Rodina is signaling Cabanos, taas pa ng konti, mababa daw. Because she may be, what is she, 5'3", 5'4"?
Yeah, but,
Si Cherry Rodina,
but she can really jump
She jumps
very
about
high.
5'3", 5'4" din. So,
Serve.
wow.
Doble.
Exactly.
That's why she's asking kung pwedeng taasan ng
Taasan
konti.
pa yung
Oo.
toss.
Oh, poor reception from UST results with free ball opportunity now for a
Ooh.
play.
What happened to that set?
Ball out.
Emnas and si Guevara unable to connect.
Communication in the part, so this is another free point for UST. Again, they're earning the points courtesy of the errors being committed by Adamson.
Alex Cabanos to serve for
Alex
UST.
Cabanos serving. Villanueva off
Amanda
the
Villanueva
blockers.
off the block.
Parang na frozen in motion si Cabanos and Laure. Nobody even chased for that ball. It's that lack of effort and hustle din ng
Yes.
UST, ano?
That's right. Actually, this is also one thing that we have
Hey,
noticed
Guevara,
in the
serving
previous
for
game with
Adamson.
UST. No? You can see their body language. There's really no aggressiveness
True.
inside. And if you compare it, let's say, with Adamson, you can see Adamson really talagang, parang they're very into the game.
And you can see Adamson also, aside from that, they take the extra step. You know, if
Right.
it needs 3 steps, they're gonna take 4.
4.
As compared to right now, yung ginagawa ng UST, they don't go as far. And finally,
Cherry
the
Rodina.
entry of the little spark plug, si Cherry Rodina. This might change the way UST is playing, Ivy.
Right, the beach volleyball player.
A wishy oh wow moment open up to everyday surprises with a wishy oh wow.
I guess this is also one of her advantages yun nga, because she's a beach volleyball player. Talagang yung kanyang court sense really is there. It wasn't a very hard hit, but she just knew where to bring it.
Paat with an error. Sherwin Meneses, head coach Adamson. I don't see why he's looking concerned very early. Lamang na lamang sila. Definitely, right now, still in control. There may have been a few errors, but they're still in control.
But probably because, you know, he's not taking UST very lightly.
Of
That's
course,
the
yeah.
thing. And he knows that once UST is able to get its momentum, mahihirapan na sila.
True. Well, series of points now para sa UST. They are still down by 5. 9 serving 14. Good dig. Free ball though. Paat.
A good save there. You really have to commend the coverage of the Lady Falcons.
Better offense mula sa UST.
Tunay now with a point here for the Lady Tigresses.
McDonald's instant replay. Don't miss the spike. Dial 86-236 for a BFF chicken bundle. The entry of Cherry Rodina really has made an impact
Yes, it has. That's
para
right.
sa UST. Eh, yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Oji Mamon, ano? May veterans better step up. Kasi kung hindi, naka-standby na yung mga
Naka-standby
bata
mga
ko.
rookies, that's
Oo.
right. But of course, if you were the veteran, ayaw mo papalitan ka ng
Siyempre.
rookie, you would really want to stay inside the court.
15-10. That's over the barrier. And unrecoverable para kay Maylene Paat. And Latunay stepping up. The last few plays para sa Puste. Too close to the net. That's off Lanza though. No.
There was a
not
touch from, it was blocked.
It was a joust, pero the call was now in favor of Adamson. 16-11. Adamson, Kit Kat break, have a Kit Kat. Amanda Villanueva and the rest of the Lady Falcons.
First set, number 1.
So far, I've never been unseated from the driver's seat.
That's right. So Coach Sherwin has no reason, no,
Yeah.
to make them passengers muna.
16-11. First set. Meneses underhand set para kay Laure. Great dig. Villanueva.
Oh,
Joust.
good joust won
Wow.
by Galanza.
1 against 2. Guess who won?
There was a violation called up against Galanza.
Oh, maybe she touched the net.
Yes,
Yeah,
she did.
touch the net. Pero in terms of winning the joust,
Oh, that's right. Although she didn't get a point, but pero parang panalo ka na rin dun eh.
dalawa yun eh. Dalawa na, 4 na kamay yata yung
That's right. It's 4.
4 against 1 basically. 17-12, Oji Mamon. As substitutions are made here by Sherwin Meneses, Lebum Basil checks in for Alquino. Keith Lebum Basil is a third-year player, service specialist.
Of course, also there to add more options for their defense.
Laure. Ooh, the dump was very low. Now the substitutions come in. Berutiao and Cortez for Cabanos and Tunay.
So UST still with a full front. 3 attackers at the front line. So this has always been one of the options also of Coach Oji. It's just to make sure na meron siyang a lot of options in terms of attacks.
That's very good for him, no? Pero surprisingly, Tunay has been efficient. 4
4 touches called up against UST.
And no contest against or from Coach Mamon. surprising though, because Tunay was playing fairly well. At least 2 points in my recollection. Claudia Cortez. Cortel will put it up and Galanza will bring it over. Berrutia was playing center. Laure off the
Off
block.
the block. So those, actually yung mga ganong klase, medyo mahirap din kunin yun eh. So you really have to have, you know, a lot of, you really have to read the ball
Yeah.
to be able to save it.
Underhand set. Rodina. That was picked up by Libum Pasil. Galanza is blocked this time. Very tall set of blockers. Cortez and Meneses at the net para sa UST.
Good block there from Chloe Cortez.
UST though still down by 5. Galanza. Dusaran with a dig. Rodina. Cut shot. Jessica Galanza blocked again. 2 in a row against Jessica Galanza. Great defense, UST.
Meneses and Cortez doing a very good job at the front of the net.
Nescafe Creamy White Defender of the Day from the drink of the day. Nescafe Creamy White. Hashtag DOTD. Puntahan natin itong huddle ni Coach Meneses.
Malapit sa likod. Ay, hindi iwasan mo pa yung bola. Puro papasok ang bola. Cover na eh. Siyempre, papasok yung bola. Isang receive lang, isang receive. A5. A5. Para wala na agad dito ha. Ay, sa set. Taas-taas yung bola eh. Combo kayang set. Block sila, mabot sa block. Cover.
Well, UST has momentum. I wouldn't say they have a run already. They're still down by 4. Pero, yun nga, tulad na banggit mo kanina, Ivy, ayaw ni Coach Sherwin na mabigyan ng kumpiyansa ang UST.
That's
Kasi
right.
kung mag-init nga naman yan, baka mahirapan pa sila.
That's right. And so far, actually, UST able to more or less, you know, get back in the game. So they're able to, they're more organized now than they were at the start of the set.
Berutiao with an error. The young rookie, Sara Princess Berutiao, setting error. Barely making it across the net to serve ni Galanza. Rodina. Villanueva blocked again.
Good cover there from Galanza.
Dump. Libum Pasil was there. Here comes Villanueva. Meneses. Villanueva. Dusaran with a one-handed pickup. Guevara, dump, picked up. Guevara puts it over on the second touch. Rodina. Oh, long rally. Guevara finally puts the kill.
Faye Guevara at
Para
the
sa
middle.
Adamson.
Very long rally that we had there.
Yeah. Para siyang set na yun.
Oh.
Gatorade, spike of the game, definitely deserving. Fueling the UAAP to play hard.
That was a good angle chosen by Guevara. Alam niyang malaki ang blocker niya sa harap, so she chose to, you know, put off the attack at the side.
Serve goes long.
It's good that you pointed it out, Ivy. Yung combination ni Cortez Meneses causing some problems. Amanda Villanueva had to change her shot.
Right.
After the first time she was blocked, she had to readjust
That's right.
Serve.
because of yung combination yun.
That's right. And so you can also see the variation of what Adamson did in terms of their attack. So the open hit wasn't being very effective, so they tried out yung mga quickers naman nila.
Laure. Dump. Oops. Got a double. Oh, lifting.
Lifting violation.
Huli na. Well, Coach Sherwin Meneses speaking in sign language with the officials, with the first referee. Pero the call will stand.
Maribig Meneses.
17 serving 21. Apat pa rin. Kalamangan ng Adamson. Villanueva. Over receive. Ooh. Lucky break there for Adamson. That was an over reception.
block.
And then an over receive to Cortez.
Patricia
So
Emnas.
Emnas is very aggressive in the front of the net.
And yeah, very smart too. I mean, over reception to. Now, the over receive din, nilabanan niya
That's
na
right.
ng Joust sa ibabaw. And that was against a taller player, in De Leon.
Patricia
Quick
Emnas.
thinking there
Serving.
from
Yeah,
Emnas.
this girl. Fen Emnas. 22-17, 5-point lead. Adamson, first set. Rodina. Too close to the net. Guevara able to win the joust against De Leon. Here comes Cortez. Block. Rodina. Block.
Nice block by
UST
Adamson.
work on their coverage.
Time
And
out.
Adamson now,
UST.
it's their turn to block some spikes. Timeout ng USD. Pakinggan natin si Coach Oji Mahon.
Kasi wala ka ng options mo doon na short. Hiniliitan mo lang yung court natin. Dulo mo yung isa, dulo, kabilang dulo. Hindi ka na makikita ni Sarah. Pag bumuka yung set, tumatalong ka sa likod ni Sarah. Ha? Kailangan magkaroon kayo ng lane para mahiwalay man lang yung blocker. So this.
So much confidence in the young rookie Sara Berutiao, si Coach Oji Mahon. And his team in peril of losing this set already. 23-17, Ivy.
That's right, that's 6 points.
Patricia
But although this
Emnas
is not
serving.
impossible, but you know, UST will need to play flawless volleyball
Yeah.
kung talagang gusto nilang mag-tie up or to win this first set. Good first ball.
Easy over para sa Adamson. Again, no connection.
Miscommunication on the part of
Berutiao
UST.
and De Leon, and it is set point, Adamson.
Those kinds of errors are actually what kills UST.
Patricia Emnas continues to serve for the Lady Falcons.
Rodina. Villanueva. Great
Amanda Villanueva
position.
scores a point. That ends the set.
Was a
25.
relatively easy set para sa Adamson. There was a bit of a run para sa UST in the middle of it, pero Adamson was in full control.
That's right, but UST is still not able to, recover themselves. But we can see that the performance here is better than how they did before. So probably little more organization here on the part of the Lady Tigresses.
25-17 confirmation. First set win. Adamson over UST. It is a rainy Saturday afternoon dito sa arena in San Juan. 25-17 Adamson winning first set over UST.